We are phelas, and we build a scalable, cheap and sustainable storage system so that 100% renewable energy can become a no-brainer globally. The problem we are aiming to solve is right now there's 30% of global CO2 emissions are based on coal-fired electricity production. And on the other hand, it has never been cheaper to produce electricity in the history of humanity, and that is with renewables. So we want to solve that problem of CO2 emissions in electricity production. The phelas system takes in electricity in times of overproduction and uses that to intake air. We compress that air, heat is generated. That heat is stored in a heat storage. We then have that compressed air and expand that so that cold is generated to the point where it liquefies. We can store that liquid air for weeks. Now, when electricity is needed, we reverse that process. So we take the liquid air, we evaporate it, we increase the pressure and generate electricity. The beauty is with power and storage being modular, we can adapt to future customers' needs not clear in the present.
We identified 3 customer segments: renewable energy developers and operators, grid operators, and energy-intensive industry. All 3 customer segments need cheap energy flexibility, which we supply.
The existence of phelas is to fill up the gap needed in the sustainable energy storage. And what makes phelas special is the character of having ambitious goals, a very well-rounded team, and the well-shaped perspective. This combination makes phelas special.
The ESA Business Incubation Center Bavaria is really proud to support phelas in integrating space technologies in their system. We think that they really serve a need for a sustainable energy storage system and will help us to reach a greener future.
Over the last 20 years, the world has made progress in lowering costs for renewable energy, but it still lacks a scalable, sustainable, resource-efficient energy storage option. And we solve that problem.